Garbet Plateau. Beautiful place. Even in monsoon, even during winters, beautiful. We are going from Garbet Point to Matheran. This is backside, you can see Garbet Point. You can't actually see it because I have covered half of it. This is Matheran. That is Matheran. That's where we are going. And the cliff, the edge. I think this entire range is Matheran. If you see the entire range is Matheran. That's fantastic. And this is the edge, the cliff. It's always thrilling. No matter how many treks you've done, no matter how many times you've done the same place, still standing at the edge, watching the entire valley or the scenario, never gets old.
Hi guys, we have a quick introduction round.
Hi guys, my name is Lloyd. I'm a chef by profession. I've done 35 plus treks, including Sayadris and international treks as well. Also a marathon runner and part-time I'm an artist in Indian porn industry as well.
अबे ओ शाने पागल हो गया क्या तू?
I'm an artist in Indian porn industry as well.
Gargle, I am a CA by profession. And I am Asma Sheikh. I'm a third year LLB.
हैं? क्या?
Hi, my name is Rahul, and this is my second trek. This is my 20th trek. I finally counted my treks. So yeah, this is my 20th trek.
Finally counted my treks, you forgot.
Okay, hi guys. My name is Gauri.
Hi guys, this is Atharva. I'm in 11.
Hi, my name is Arya Karve. I'm studying in Vasant Vihar High School. My hobbies are yoga, and this is my first trip. God. Hi, I am Mansi. I am
Eating grass.
Yes, green.
Have you ever tried explaining someone about your experiences? नहीं समझे? I mean, can you ever explain how a mango tastes? Or can you explain or share how you feel when you drink that fresh lemonade after a tiring journey? You will find words like it was wonderful, sweet, satisfying, delicious, refreshing. But can you explain the taste? No matter how much you try, you can never explain that experience. You can never explain the taste. Especially to someone who's never tasted a mango or a lemonade. It's the same thing, even while climbing a mountain. See, if you ask somebody how was the trek, all you'll hear is, अरे बहुत मजा आया, सही था यार, बहुत मस्त था. You don't believe me? Wait a minute, I'll show you.
You
Rama, how was today's trek?
It's always awesome.
Bye bye. How was today's trek? Nice.
Bola tha na, you can never explain your experience. It's not about climbing a mountain or riding a bike or doing any adventure sports. It's about breaking those limits. See, if the world puts an obstacle, it's an unfortunate thing. But if you yourself set a limit, that's a disaster. So it's that simple. If you want to know the taste of a mango, eat one. If you want to know the experience of trekking a mountain, climb one. Don't grow old too soon. Stretch yourself. Break those limits. There's a freedom hidden there. Every insect, bird, animal, tree, all are trying to live a full-fledged life. Don't hesitate. Don't build walls. These walls of self-preservation will turn into self-imprisonment soon.
ये अच्छा एंगल है.
We started the climb at 2:35 am, reached the top by 5:30, then slept under the bright moon and the shining stars, saw the beautiful sunrise, started walking towards Mathiran, and ended the entire trek by 10:35 am. That's 8 hours, exact 8 hours. spent 8 hours on a Sunday morning climbing 2,700 feet. How did your Sunday go?